Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Smart Lock on Android. Smart Lock on Android saves you from having to unlock your phone when you're at a registered physical address. When your phone screen turns off, you just have to wake it up and get straight back to using the phone. First, from a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the app screen. These instructions only apply to standard mode and the default home screen layout. Then, navigate to the settings and touch Lock Screen. Tap Smart Lock. If presented, enter the current PIN, password, or pattern. Select any of the following options, then follow the on-screen instruction to set up a trusted unlock. On body detection, keeps your phone unlocked while it's on you. On trusted places, set locations on your home, work, etc. to keep your phone unlocked whenever you're there. Then, trusted devices. Set Bluetooth or NFC devices to keep your phone unlocked when that device is connected. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.